Hey there, it's Jeff from Learning Revolution. When I started this site years ago, my goal was to draw upon my experience as the founder of an online course development company and a consultant to hundreds of different education businesses to publish content that would be useful to aspiring course creators. Now, there's one thing I've found out over the years, and that's going from, gee, doesn't an online course sound like a great idea, to actually having a course, and better yet, being able to sell it. It's a pretty big leap for most people. Even with the guidance that we provide here at Learning Revolution, most course creators could benefit from hands-on professional help. And that's why I'm really excited about a partnership that we've entered into with Robert Lunte and his team at CourseCREEK. If you're committed to launching and growing an online course business but aren't quite sure how to make it happen, this is for you. Robert was one of the early subscribers to Learning Revolution, and he was already a seasoned course creator when we first connected. Now he's got nearly 20 courses in his portfolio that have helped more than 100,000 students around the world, and that includes a top-selling course on Udemy. Bottom line, Robert has deep experience and expertise. So when he told me he was starting CourseCREEK to help other course creators, I joined the advisory board, and I'm making CourseCREEK my go-to solution for creators who are looking for professional help in making their dream a reality. CourseCREEK can help you with all key parts of your education business, from turning your ideas into lessons and modules, to the technology you should use, to how to price your course, to building an email list, to launching and growing successfully. So if you want some of the best support you can get in making your course business a reality, use the contact form on this page to reach out to Robert and his team at CourseCREEK today. Don't let the revolution leave you behind.